Hello everybody. Today we're gonna open our robot vacuum cleaner that we got during the end of financial year sale. So it's a big boy. So let's see what we can do. Okay. This knife is not sharp enough. It's not cutting through.
Yes.
Jesus.
Yo. Robo Quiver.
With tap water. Who wants to do that?
I can do it.
After filling, close the lid, lock the latch, and then put clean water tank back in.
Okay, I can do it. Yeah. And then you
Look
just
for a limit, maximum. But don't put it at maximum, put it like 75%.
wait. I just put it in.
Yeah.
Okay. Tap water, right?
Rocky.
Oh, it's doing its first cleaning. And it's trying to clean its base station. Okay. Oh, it's getting stuck. Is that thing falling out? Or the mop? No, the mop is
No, that's normal.
Okay. I thought it broke.
Wait,
Oh no. It caught the cockroach trap. Oh dear. There, go.
Also, the floor's wet.
Yeah, it's mopping. Test run complete.
Yeah, we did a small test run. Checking around. Oh, it's upside down.
So satisfying.
It's very slow.
How come when it's going in, it's slow? When it was cleaning, it was faster.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Today I got a special treat. It's end of year tax savings, and I saw a really good deal, and I snapped it up. I've always wanted to get this. This is a drone. It's not a fancy drone. I think it's the cheapest drone you can get. Yes,
Drone.
thanks, Justin. It's not even the latest one.
Oh,
I think there's like a 2, but this is a 1. But I think it's good enough. So yeah, so this video will be us trying out the drone and giving our thoughts on it, and what we intend to do with it. Hello everybody. So today we're going to test out the drone in an actual area, not just our backyard. So we're going to our local park early in the morning to have a go. So this is our park. It's very big and expansive, and we're gonna have a really good time with our drone. Go.
Alrighty, I'm confident to do a real takeoff.
Oh yeah. Can you weave through the trees or something? Here we are. The drone is somewhat up there. Yeah, I saw. There it is. You can. It just moves very faster. And it has no height restriction and things like that. Oh, there it is.
Okay, let me land it. I'll bring it back and land it.
Yeah.
Is that what that
Yeah.